Hi, my name is Cody Holmes, and this is my second new technology video, and I will be discussing a website called JeopardyLabs. JeopardyLabs' purpose and objectives are to gamify teaching and learning, and it also allows the students to practice skills in an engaging way, and it can help me teach and review in an engaging way also. The targeted audience would be students to play the game, but for teachers to create the games. Although you could have students create their own games, and I will talk about that later. Here are a couple of the standards that fit very well with JeopardyLabs. I focused on those that actually talk about designing and creating, E.5c and E.5b, and I'll give you a couple moments to look over these. Alrighty, I will now show you what this new technology actually looks like. Okay, so this would be the website, JeopardyLabs.com, and you can become a supporter for $20, but you do not have to. I do not. When I create my own, I just create a temporary password each time. So you just create a password, start building, and here is what your template looks like. You can enter a title of what you want it to be called, and then you can have up to however many columns you'd like. And let's just pick this one. I'm going to say this is all about my favorites. So I can click on one of these boxes to add one of my first questions. So it brings you to this. You have one side that's your question prompt and one side that's your correct response prompt. So here you type in your question, and it even tells you it's traditional in Jeopardy to phrase this as a statement. So I'm going to say, Mr. Holmes's favorite color. And the answer that I will be looking for, I will state in a question. What is orange? And I'll hit continue. So that one's saved. Now I could keep going and fill all of these in, but I will not, just for the purpose of this video. So now that I have this, I'm going to go to Save and Finish. And it says it's created. I can bookmark it or email it to access it later. I could just simply copy and paste the link, but I will show you what it looks like when you hit start. So this is what you would see. Of course, we only have our one option, but normally you'd have many columns. So what I would do is I would call on the kids, and they would tell me what column and how many points they want to go for. We're going to try this one. So I would read this out loud. I would have the students guess, and then you click on the space bar to see if you're correct or not. Okay, you can give points if you want down here. And then when you're ready to move back, you just hit escape. And there we go. So I thank you for watching my second new technology video about JeopardyLabs. It's great, it's easy to use, and the kids really enjoy playing it.